couple laps downtown, swing by and kill those beers and shit, hang out, maybe get some food to throw on the grill or something and sweat our asses off. Cool. I'll follow you. I'm good. I just had to wait for it to catch. We gotta get you on a jigster dressed like that. At least we get to sit in the shade for a little bit. Fuck. I say as I pull up into the sun a little bit. Same way, all right. Twistier than I thought it was going to be. Hot damn. Going left out of a forward turn right only lane. Let's just hop in this right lane here. Fuck this guy. There's no one coming, so I'll back up for you. They don't know where they're going. Must be. Man, my arms look so wet and gross from all the sunscreen that I've got on right now. Either that or I'm genuinely sweating through it like a motherfucking pig right now. I don't know. I love that. Oh, there's a cop up ahead, by the way. I don't know. Oh. No, there's a cop on your left, right here. Nice. That was a fucking hell of a bump. My ass caught air off this bike. So the Grom did a wheelie? Where? Yeah, I noticed. Oh, are they turning here? Yes, they're turning here. Okay, cool. Oh, dude, nice. He's on a sumo. Okay, he's actually fucking killing it on that thing, not gonna lie. A left? Alright, I'll follow your signal. Hell yeah, man! Fuck yeah, it is. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh. Are we going straight now? Okay. Are you still going straight or? Oh. that cop is still right on my ass. Oh, he's turning. I like that he yelled "girl up" as if doing wheelies doesn't have some kind of like skill behind it. Yeah, real. I even fucking can't do wheelies. I'm trying to on the little SSR, but he turned off finally. It's fucking crazy. I know.
I don't even know where the fuck he came from.
I don't either. You're talking to me. It's like, where the fuck?
Where are you guys riding at?
Just around a little bit.
Hey, this thing only goes 60.
Oh, nice.
I got another thing, but the car ended up scamming me out of it.
Ah, fuck.
Fucking blowing up, so I got this shit on order.
Damn.
Can't wait.
We're just gonna follow this car then, right?
You guys taking the highway?
No, stay off the highway. Stay off the highway. Well, he can only do 60, so. Oh, he's following you, fucking like move for move. Yes, he is. Behind you, he's doing it again. Hell yeah. Oh shit, is he gonna do it across the bridge? Hell yeah. Downshifted him. Sure, fuck it. Oh, that's actually nice as fuck. Damn. That was a GT3. He seems like a cool guy. Damn, it is bumpier and shit. I like that people on bicycles don't even look. They just say, fuck it, they'll stop for me or I'll catch a lawsuit, one of the two. There really is no in between. Oof. Yeah, sun is no fun. Ooh, nice. Damn. He noticed. Right? I'll be nice. I won't do mine next to this car. Damn, he's just like you, for real, for real. He's literally just like you, for real, for real. Bet you he actually launches though. I know you're probably not going to, but I know he's about to. He knows we're going left, right? Oh, I'm coming back around, hold on. Fuck! I was beating the yellow light, my bad. Oh shit, this isn't even the fucking turnaround, son of a bitch! Damn, watching these cars coming is like watching fucking paint dry right now. Holy shit. My god, I could have gone 5 fucking times, but by the time I decided to go, they're already here. Hot damn, dude. I don't even think I need gas. I'm just gonna let the fucking bike cool down and buy like a Red Bull or some shit. This thing is fucking hot. What's he saying? Squeeze past them? I'll squeeze past them in a second, hold up. Word. Skirt. I don't know what they're asking for. Oh, yeah. See it? Good riding with you. You rolling it?
I was gonna try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away.
I'm gonna shout this guy out. He's gonna have no fucking idea who the hell I am.